My name is Dara Byrne and I'm the MD of Medical Exam Tutor, which is best described as a simulator for the medical world, very similar to a flight simulator in aviation. First of all, some background about me and the product. I'm a doctor, I'm a medical educator, but most importantly I'm passionate about simulation-based learning and education. Over the past 5 years we've been growing this idea, and in the last 2 years we've developed a very strong team to help deliver the Medical Exam Tutor product. This is where we are at the moment. We have had a successful beta trial earlier in April of this year, and based on the feedback from that trial, we have improved our product and will be ready to launch in November. So here's what I observed on the wards as a doctor and an educator. The students do not have enough exposure to real clinical cases and patients, and this is due to ethical issues and the fact that the numbers of students are increasing. The students do not have enough access to experienced tutors, they don't get sufficient feedback on their performance, and they can't learn from their mistakes. Finally, newly graduated medical students are not fit for clinical practice and often do not perform well in clinical examinations. So what if, as a student, you could have all of your patients available 24/7 as simulated patients? And what if you could have access to tutors 24/7 and receive immediate feedback and learn from your mistakes along the way? What if all of this could be delivered as an interactive learning tool where you have access to real results and you make decisions at every step of the patient journey in a safe learning environment? Medical Exam Tutor is that interactive learning tool. Medical Exam Tutor is the flight simulator of the medical world. So I'm going to hand you over now to one of our directors, Dr. Brian Higgins, who's going to give you a guided tour of our product.
Medical Exam Tutor is a unique training resource that allows students access to real patient cases at any time, in any place. With Medical Exam Tutor, students play the role of doctor, making decisions on all aspects of patient care from initial diagnosis right through to treatment plan. The content is highly interactive, with videos introducing each patient and their presenting complaint, while we also use realistic clinical data, lab and x-ray results which demand decision-making skills and, more uniquely, the application of student knowledge to practical clinical cases. You can also access our valuable learning resources that are concise and easy to use when revising for exams or when managing real-life situations. We give instant feedback on every decision, helping to improve exam results and hopefully training safer and more efficient junior doctors. There are hundreds of realistic clinical scenarios to choose from that you can browse by speciality, presenting symptoms, degree of difficulty and more. You can also browse our short cases which combine original images of clinical signs and medical equipment and encourage the user to say what they see before reaching the diagnosis. Finally, we have created a unique dashboard that will track students' overall performance, strengths and areas for improvement over time.